Sort is a very useful feature for going through and taking the elements in your array, whether it be numbers, strings, attributes of an object, whatever have you, and it will return them as a default ascending order. And it's really nice, so you don't have to go through and necessarily write your own, kind of algorithm. You could just kind of do it in one line. So let's do this example right here. And we see that this works. This is great. Let's add this in. And we see that it does in fact do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 99. What if we were to put 1000 here at the end? We would see that it puts it in place, in the second place right here in the array, and that is very strange. And it's just by the default nature of how it looks at the data and sorts it. So you may be thinking, well, this is really weird. Like, I have large numbers. How do I deal with this kind of thing? And a really easy way to do this is to write your own function, because sort could also take whatever function you want to actually sort and look through these numbers. So let's write one out. We see here that it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 99, and then 10,000 right here. And as it goes through and applies its sorting algorithm here, it's using this and it's doing exactly what you think it is. It's just comparing the output from this A minus B right here, and it's using that to inform the sort algorithm of, okay, what goes before what mathematically. Now this is going in an ascending order. How do we make it go in a descending order? You just flip B and A like that. This is sort. Most of the time, sometimes you can just use this right here and you're good to go. But if you start getting kind of weird, odd outputs, you may want to supply your own really simple 3-line out of the box. You just copy and paste this function here to get a bit more specificity in your sorting. So if you like this, like, share, subscribe. Check you all in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.